Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn about exporting your customer profiles in CSV format using your Dakis Unified Commerce solution. One of the most powerful tools in mydakis is the ability to export your data as CSV files. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's essentially a way to pull your info out of the system and into a spreadsheet, giving you a custom report tailored to what you need. In mydakis, you can export data from 4 places: your hardware products, your orders, your customer profiles, and your payments. In this video, we're going to focus on exporting your customer profiles. Your customer database is one of the most valuable assets your business has. With the customer profile export feature, you can pull that data out into a clean, organized spreadsheet whenever you need it for reporting, auditing, or updating your records. Before we dive in, to export CSV files, we need to be logged into our mydakis account as either a buyer, admin, or owner. Only these roles have access to the task history page where your compiled CSV files are downloaded. Here we are on the home page of our mydakis account. In the left-hand menu, we can see an icon of a shopping cart labeled Orders. Let's click that now. This will open up the Orders drop-down menu. Let's click the Customers and Groups button from the menu, and then choose Customer Profiles from the sub-menu we just opened. This will bring us to the Customer Profiles page. Just like with all exports in mydakis, without applying filters, exporting the CSV now would export all your customer info. That's totally fine if that's what you want, but if you only need a specific set of customers, we need to narrow things down. That's where the search bar and filters come in. We can use the search bar to search for a specific customer profile or use filters to fine-tune the results. Taking a moment to set your filters first transforms this into a useful, targeted report. Here's a look at the filters available to us. You can filter by join date, which lets you pull only customers who joined since a specific date. Great for tracking new customer acquisition over time. You can filter by unpaid shopping carts to find customers who have outstanding unpaid orders. The online account filter lets you pull only customers who have created an account on your website. The marketing emails field lets you filter for customers who have opted in to receive your marketing communications. The tax exempt field lets you pull customers who are exempt from tax collection. Order type lets you filter by the kinds of orders a customer has placed. And country and region lets you filter by geographic location. Once our customer list is filtered and looking exactly the way we want, we can click the Export Data to CSV button. Let's do that now. You'll be automatically redirected to the task history page where you'll see a status indicator confirming your export is underway. Once the process is complete, a success notice will appear. Now we just click the download button next to the task to download our file. Here's a cool feature with customer profiles. We can also import a modified CSV file right back into your mydakis account, meaning you can make bulk edits to your database without having to update records one by one. Export your customer list, open it in a spreadsheet, make your changes, and then head back to the customer profiles page and click Import Data from CSV to upload your updated file. So to recap, exporting your customer profiles is a 4-step process. Navigate to the customer profiles page, apply your filters, click Export Data to CSV, and download your file from the task history page. That's all there is to it. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.